Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Got a call from my niece on this IS300 Lexus. She said it dumped all the power steering fluid on the ground. I looked behind the grill and the power steering has a little cooler line that runs across, and one of these hoses, look at all the cracks and splits in it, let all the fluid out. I called the Lexus dealer. They tell me I got to spend $238 or some odd for that to get that hose. So I'm gonna go down there and try to verify it. Came off in 5 minutes. I'll give you guys a tutorial on it later. I got a hose from the hydraulic shop that I used to get my oil cooler lines made from. When you get hoses, it's highly advised that you get hoses that are rated for hydraulic fluid, since that's what's going to be running through it. Anything else will probably cause this kind of cracking and stuff. So they were kind enough to give me the hose. They were in a generous mood yesterday. I seen them give a couple people things, so I'm gonna slide this on there. And there's also some kind of splash pan under there loose. I'm gonna try to secure that, even though I didn't bring my ramps, and let my niece know that she needs to go get some power steering fluid that she's going to use, and hopefully this will not leak on them. The ID looks just barely different, but hopefully it'll slide on and go on fine and keep it sealed. This is the car that my brother-in-law got repaired. I see there's a hose not clipped in there properly. I don't know what's going on there. Looks like a vacuum hose missing there. And just now when I opened the hood, I felt the hood move back there. So the hood is not tight. But I'm gonna try to find something to prop this up because I don't see that support either. Get this held up in place. You can see the crinkle. My brother-in-law got hit in this car. And get this hose on here, which is down there. You can see the one that I got off, the other one's still on there. So I got the clip there. Let me get this done so I can move on. I got a lot going on today. You can actually see that in there. The dealer told me that these hoses are supposed to be sweated to this cooler that runs across there, loops around, and come back. I'm believing this is part of the power steering return line, because the pressure line would be too much pressure for that. That would leak immediately. So the return line has this cooler loop in there. Can't tell, but it probably got bent in an accident. At any rate, I'm gonna put this tube on here and hopefully that'll hold up for them until they get hold up forever actually. Yeah, it looks like it's got a weld there, so that took a hit too. Hose is pretty tight, not going on, so I'm gonna pull this grill. Pull this clip here. Probably should remove that, but that's broken. Clip's missing there, that looks broken, but that should get the grill out. I did pull the grill out. After those 3 top attachments, you push down on these bumper tabs and put a little pressure on the bottom of the grill, and it comes out of there. So now I'm grabbing the hose and twisting it while I push pressure on there, and right now it's about halfway where it needs to be. So I'm gonna keep pushing and turning. As you can hear, it's a little strenuous. I'm a little out of breath, but it's what it takes. Alright, this hose is tough coming on, and now I see the other one's cracked. Anyway, I got enough on just to get that squeeze clamp past the bump on it. I actually took the bolt out of the bottom of the line right there. Right here. So I can push up on it while I push down on the hose. Now I'm going to put that other clamp on there. Barely got that on far enough to put the squeeze clamp on it. So I'm going to go get another piece of hose, Squeeze that down on there just a little bit. I unplugged this AC line sensor from right there so I could have more room to get my hand in from top and bottom. So let me go ahead and finish this up and get out of here. Oh my gosh, getting in the junkyard, waiting for people to ask for information. My new junkyard pet peeve. Quit sitting there for 5 minutes asking for information. Check the computer, go in there and do what you gotta do. Hey, looks like my mom's car over there. Somebody already got the hatch off of it. The front end's gone, the engine's gone. Not much left of that. Hey, we get another Volvo here. A 08 S40. I can't tell if it's manual. Nope, looks like standard S40. Hey, XC all-wheel drive. It's a 99 or a 2000. Oh, somebody already busted the window out. It's a 99 model. I might be good for a cylinder head if it's a 7mm valves. So I'm coming in here to get some parts that people want and get over there to help Paul. Man, I'm behind the power curve. 2:30. I was hoping to be through here by 12:30. So I'm running 2 hours behind. I'm gonna keep going till it gets dark. So hopefully we'll be able to start Paul's car today, but we'll see. Don't have much to do on it. Get that thing back together. Except I am gonna look for a bolt out here, and I'm gonna try to lock his cams, because I'm not sure that timing was right on that car last time. It was running so rough. So I'm gonna take care of that, get this thing going. Here at this C70, you're supposed to get the latch back here. Man, neither one of these seats fold up, so I'm gonna climb back here. Then we'll try to get the trunk open. It looks like it's open, and get the passenger rear speaker. I think I'm supposed to knock this pin out here and then unscrew this thing right up there. So, man, I wonder if I could unscrew it from in here and just send them the whole dang thing. Let me see if I can get this pillar pulled away. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna pull these T25, unscrew that Phillips in there, and go from there. All right, here's an 850 that looked like it was in decent shape. Somebody's trying to pick it apart. Anyway, I need a sensor off the back of it, and I need some power steering lines. Dang, it don't look like they destroyed the power steering lines. That one's bent. So I'll check another car. But hey, this thing's got Volvo parts on it, even a recent dipstick. Let me go check another one. This one looks rough. It's a 95 as well. I don't know if I could get them lines out of that. Looked like they might have put it on the subframe. Did they? No, I'm good. Let me check their power steering lines on this one. Oh, they cut that one. So that will be a little bit of a pickle. Let me go check the last one down there. Back here at Paul's C30, better late than never. We're going to start out by getting these end caps off of these cams so we can put the locking tools on there. There's a chance that our timing was off a little bit when we started up last time, and that is destroyed, and that is looking rough. So I'm going to drill this one out and pull that thing out of there. I got 2 new screws from Master's Touch for it. That is the exhaust cam. Got the screw out of that, and that's the intake cam. This one has an E in the part number. That one has an I in the part number. I before H. Intake. Alright, so
intake and
I am going to go ahead and bolt the head down. Head gasket in place. About to check the bottom of the head and set the head in place. We have the head in place, torque down, front bracket on. When we come back, we're going to lay the cams in, lock them down. Use the draw down tool, draw this thing down, seal off that cover, and press on. Unfortunately, that will be Sunday around noon. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.